is me. In the previous video, I opened my Simple Dimple and my Poppet. So today we are going to open more stuff. So let's put these things away. And let's see. Oh yeah, it's not. Okay. Oh, I got Infinity Cube. Oh my god, it's a Galaxy one. And put it. It's so cool. I'm definitely rating this a 10 out of 10. It's so cool. It's my favorite. But let's move on. So let's just put this item down and open this. Oh, quite sharp on there. Open it. Oh my god, you guys can't believe it. I got my Poppet! Oh my god, so cool. So cool. Let's test it out, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this Poppet. Hey, it's so weird. It's so quiet. Let's try this. Ah, here's the loud side. It's quite cool. But there's a bug in it. Just let me get it out. Okay, but I quite like this Poppet now. But I don't really like this side at all. It's very quiet. It feels very super weird. I hate this part. But it's okay. Bye, guys. Oh, yeah. Also, if you want this, you just can buy from somewhere online. How to play Infinity Cube? You just turn it, open it, and then you can hold it like that. Then just put it here. You can just buy it anywhere, but you can choose your color. Whoa. But I really like this because it's a Galaxy. But I don't really like this Poppet, but I like this Poppet more because it has a loud side. I really love this side so much. And this is the loud side also, but I feel a little bit weird. I think the holes are these holes are much smaller than this, but it feels kind of weird. I think they scanned me, but it's okay. But if you guys want to buy this all, and including a Simple Dimple, you can buy it online somewhere, okay? So that's all. Bye, guys. Oh yeah, also click a thumbs up and subscribe and turn off the bells so I can have more likes. So